If two UP police constables being accused of rape and abduction and rape of a minor girl inside a police compound wasn't bad enough news, the second highest ranked officer in UP police, that of the post of an ADG, has in fact gone out to reveal the identity of the rape survivor. The officer in charge was sent directly by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh to investigate the matter. But while talking to media, he revealed the names of the victim's parents and also the address. This in clear violation of the Supreme Court guidelines to conceal the identity of a rape survivor.
ये 31 तारीख की 8 बजे रात में ऐसा सूचना दी गई जो माता है पत्नी कि उनकी पुत्री को दो सिपाही अवनेश और वीरपाल नाम के अपनी कार से ले गए और उनके साथ गलत बलात्कार किया.
And when confronted, this was the top cop's reply.
Sir, yesterday we had a statement from you in which you revealed the identity of the victim.
I have revealed no identity.
Sir, we heard the name of the parents motorbike, sir.
I guess, sir.
The two police constables accused of raping the minor are still on the run. 5 teams of UP police with the help from a special task force unable to trace their own men. And now investigations are pointing at the possible involvement of other police officers as well.
What my camera person is showing you right now is the police station, wherein generally people usher in and come in every day for their complaints. And let's pan across and show you where exactly and what exactly is the scene of crime. Right as you pan across, just as walking in stone's throw distance away, are the quarters of these police constables, wherein we understand the alleged rape took place. We understand on the night of the 31st, the minor girl was abducted from the Prahladpur village, which is just about 8 to 10 kilometers from here, from where we are standing. Abducted in a police vehicle by 2 constables, brought in here to the quarters and raped.
Another cop, Sub-Inspector Sobran Singh Yadav, has been sent back to the lines. A relative of one of the accused constables on the run, Veerpal Yadav, Sub-Inspector Sobran faces allegations of fudging the duty records and dressing up the crime scene.
आए थे तब हमें लड़की से पूछे तो उसने कहा कि हमें पुलिस वाले गाड़ी पे डाल के ले गए और उसके बाद हम अकेले घर पे थे हमारे घर वाले घर में नहीं.
For now, the UP government has announced a compensation of 5 lakh for the survivor's family. But Badaयूं has once again come back in news for all the wrong reasons. With camera person Hira Mandal and Randeep in Badaयूं, I'm Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.